Hello everyone, coming to lesson number 4. Before I begin, please don't forget to like, share, follow or subscribe my channel for further lessons. Let's begin with lesson number 4, verbs. Verbs will help you in making short sentences, okay? Verbs are of two kinds, regular and irregular. Today we will be covering only regular verbs. Regular verbs have three categories under it. One is ER ending verb, second is IR ending verb, third is RE ending verb. ER ending verb, IR ending verb, RE ending verb. We will be covering today ER ending verbs. I am going to introduce 10 ER ending verbs to you so that you can start making small sentences. Number 1, parler. P-A-R-L-E-R, that means to speak. 2. Manger, M-A-N-G-E-R, to eat. Third, danser, D-A-N-S-E-R, to dance. Chanter, C-H-A-N-T-E-R, to sing. Fifth, habiter, H-A-B-I-T-E-R, to live. Sixth, arriver, A-R-R-I-V-E-R, to arrive. Jouer, J-O-U-E-R, to play. Aimer, A-I-M-E-R, to like or to love. Détester, D-E-T-E-S-T-E-R, to hate or to dislike. Last, 10th, C-O-M-P-T-E-R, compter, to count. Okay, I hope you were clear with the 10 ER ending verbs. Meet you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.